Preparing for your university entrance exam requires dedicated study time, a strong understanding of the material, and effective test-taking strategies. Make a study schedule, review practice questions and past exams, and get plenty of rest the night before the test to give yourself the best chance of success. Here are some additional tips for preparing for your university entrance exam. 1. Familiarize yourself with the exam format and content. Understanding what to expect on the exam can help alleviate anxiety and improve your performance. 1. Review the exam's format, content areas, and question types. 2. Study regularly and effectively. Don't wait until the last minute to start studying. 2. Create a study schedule and stick to it, breaking up your study sessions into manageable chunks of time. 2. Take breaks, and focus on one subject at a time. 3. Use practice questions and past exams. Practice questions and past exams can give you a sense of the types of questions you'll encounter on the actual exam. 3. Use these materials to identify any areas where you need additional review. 4. Get enough rest. Make sure you get plenty of sleep the night before the exam. 4. Being well rested can help you feel more alert and focused during the test. 5. Arrive early on test day. Plan to arrive at the test location with plenty of time to spare. 5. This will allow you to get settled and mentally prepared for the exam.